you can see here on the Bitcoin charts, we just now broke out of this consolidation wedge. And you can see here we broke down on the downside. So yes, it's now bearish here on the consolidation wedge for Bitcoin. So look, we broke down and now we're going down here to the support at 23.5K. Right now we're at 23.7K. We were trying to stay above this area of 24.4K, but we went below it and now we're on that bearish path. So yeah, you can see we were in this consolidation wedge for a little while, but we broke down on a negative note. So that sucks. But what we do have to watch out for now with Bitcoin is this current support. So if we do go below this current support, there's going to be another bearish movement for Bitcoin. So if we drop down below 23.3K down here, we're going to be going a lot lower than that. 23.5, 23.3K. We should be going lower than that if we drop below this support. You can also see here on the oscillator, we have this oversold area on the oscillator, showing that, yes, this whole area was oversold, which is kind of obvious. We know because we broke down below this consolidation wedge on a negative downtrend. So we know that this here is ultimately oversold area. So after overselling, we typically do have buying coming in. So I think when we do drop down to the support that I just marked down here, when we do drop all the way down to 23.3K, 23.5K, I think we actually might have enough momentum to start building back up. Because you can see we're oversold. We definitely need some buying to come in. And I think some buying might come in and sweep up the drop that we just had, but nothing's preventing it from going even lower. And that's the scary part here, because I think right now we're probably going to end up seeing, I really do believe we might end up seeing a 20K Bitcoin just out of nowhere, like a flash sale. And then we might just see it start pumping out of nowhere. So we might just end up seeing a flash sale and then a random pump coming out of nowhere. And I think that's what might happen with Bitcoin here. Now, if you look over here, like 20K is really low. Like 20K is all the way down here. So a lot of people probably don't believe 20K, but I still think we could have a nice little flash sale. Like, look, our major resistance up here before we actually broke out inside of mid-January was at that same level. So we were still trying to get past 20, that bridge from 20 to 21K. So I think that's also where our support would be. We would also drop down to where we're trying to get past 20 to 21K. We would drop down in this area. There's high activity expected in this area. So lots of buying and lots of selling can happen there too. But mainly lots of buying is happening there. Big shout out to everyone out there that watched the video. Also hit the like button and subscribe. This is the Marcellus Clips channel. On this channel, we will be continuing to grow, and I will continue to put the clips to all the videos on this channel just in case you don't want to watch the long form content. So definitely check that out. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and plus and beyond. And stay tuned for another video.